It's blanking LD 3 times. LG refrigerator. Red LD 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mean that communication with the compressor or compressor defect or PCB defect. But this case is compressor defect. Low compressor defect. So LG refrigerator. This model GC-502HQCH. This model circuit is Y model. Motherboard is a motherboard. Compressor defect. Not running on a fan run normal and compressor little running little made a compressor defect. So we need to change compressor and change the dryer. I will clean this condenser also too. It's error code of refrigerator, LG refrigerator. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support my channel to get more video review about the LG products.